In this video, we will show you how to quickly and easily find chunk borders in Minecraft without using mods or resource packs. All you need is your coordinates, some simple math, and some solid blocks of your choice. To turn on your coordinates, press Options on your controller, go to Settings, then go to Game, then scroll down until you see Show Coordinates. We will put a link to this free cheat sheet in the description box below so you can always have it on hand. Here is Lee to explain the method.
To find a nearby northwestern corner of a chunk, you can divide your current x and z coordinates by 16. If you are left with a decimal, multiply everything from the decimal point on by 16 and move that many blocks towards the origin. Let's work through this example. X-axis first, we are currently at 1510. Divide 16 equals 94.375, so we are 94 and a bit chunks east of the x-axis origin. Multiply the 0.375 by 16 to convert from chunks back to blocks, and we get 6. Move 6 blocks towards the origin, or 1510 minus 6 equals 1504. Let's double check our maths. 1504 divided 16 equals 94. It's a whole number, so we are on the western edge of a chunk. For the z-axis, we are at negative 28. Now, we can ignore the negative because it means we are negative 28 blocks south, which just equals 28 blocks north. 28 divided 16 equals 1.75. 0.75 multiply 16 equals 12. We move 12 blocks towards the z-axis origin to z equals negative 16. Double check, negative 16 divided 16 equals negative 1. X equals 1504, z equals negative 16 is the northwestern corner of a chunk.
If you are mathematically minded and that is all you needed, then you can be on your way. If you are like me and math is definitely not your thing, then I will now go over the steps slower and in more detail. Let's try this out in our survival world. Here we are on the outskirts of town, our coordinates up there. I'm currently facing east, and I know this because I have seen the sunrise from there many times. And just to be sure, I have a sunflower which always faces east. So east is over there. This must be north. We want to find the northwest corner so we can start mapping out our chunk. My current x-axis is 1510. Let's write this down. X equals 1510 divided by 16 equals 94.375. We take the 0.375 and times that by 16 and that equals 6. So our current x-axis minus our answer above, in this case it is 6, equals 1504. Some yellow wool where I was standing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks to the west, and I should be right on 1504. This is our western edge. Let's mark that on the graph. Now for our z coordinate, negative 28. Write that down, divided by 16 equals negative 1.75. Take the 0.75, don't forget that it is a negative, so negative 0.75 and times that by 16 equals negative 12. So negative 28, our current position, minus negative 12 equals negative 16. Let's count 12 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we should be right on negative 16. Mark that on the graph, and that intersection is our mark. Get rid of these two temporary blocks and we are left with our northwest corner. We can now start marking out our 16 by 16 chunk, keeping in mind where our northwest corner is. I'm first moving along the western edge, then the southern edge, and the eastern edge, and finally the northern edge. We now have our 16 by 16 chunk. From there, it is easy to keep marking out our surrounding chunks. I'm using a different color to help distinguish between the two. Make sure to remember that the solid blocks you use for marking is also part of the chunk, so don't forget to also mark this edge. I now have 2 chunks marked out, remembering that the blocks themselves are part of the chunk and that the border is the invisible line between the blue and the yellow chunks. For some proof of concept, I have grabbed a locator map. This will also help to confirm north. If you're facing the same direction as the arrow is pointing, then you are facing north. Let's head down to this corner over here. If we do our math correctly, then we will be able to form a perfect chunk in this corner. I have my coordinates written down, I have done the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is my western edge, or X coordinate 1, 4, 7, 2. Turning around and counting 10 blocks back, which will be Z coordinate negative 48. Getting rid of my 2 temporary blocks, I am going to change my block to yellow only so I can show you something later on in the video. We know this is our northwest corner, so I made my 16 by 16 square, swapping over to blue to mark out the chunk next to it. Now if I grab my locator map, that blue chunk will appear exactly in the corner. We can check this with some yellow wool. If we place it on the inside, we will see it on our map. And there it is. Remove those, place them on the outside of the chunk, check the map, and you can't see them at all. I'm now going to mark out a couple more chunks between these 2 areas, just to show how perfectly they match up. But first, time to sleep. Marking out a blue chunk right here, marking out a yellow one between these 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, perfect. And here it is. Yes, I am the type of person that builds while wearing full netherite armor while also holding a totem of undying. I went and grabbed some trapdoors to place around the edge of this blue chunk, just to reiterate that the chunk border is the line between the blocks and not a block itself. Grabbing some more blue wool, filling in the center, and this huge area is what you can safely build in. Let's go have a look from up top. If you're interested in seeing a tutorial on this minecart viaduct bridge thing, let me know and I'll add it to my list. I've put a link to this awesome skull tutorial by Ayvocado in the description box below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.